Astro, get off my bed and go sleep in your bed. No. Get off.
Wow. You love mama? How much do you love mama?
Hey, no talking back. No, I don't care. Oh, Paul.
Why'd you eat it? Speak. Why'd you eat it? You wanted to.
What did I do to you? What did I do to you?
Está bien, yo me alejo, discúlpeme. Hasta luego.
Do you think that throwing a tantrum and yelling at me is gonna... Let me finish the question. Okay.
All I did was sneeze. I'm really sorry I scared you. Okay.
What happened?